It looks so white. What the flags are down. My clothes that I got from the closet. Suitcase. Bedding. I'll put my bedding in there. Shoes. Jackets I'm gonna take. Backpacks I'm gonna take. Clothes I'm gonna wash. Interesting. So I got these because I ran out of them. So these I'm just gonna leave in here in my makeup bag. And then next thing I have is this. If you have curly hair or anything like this, or really just in general, I would recommend this product. I really like it, and I really like what it does. And the next thing, general, my fucking hair oil. If you want to grow your hair, use this. I have another one in here. I just bought one because that's from my CVS haul. I got stuff at Home Goods. I got a mattress. Or not a mattress, my fucking dumbass. A sheet thing. This thing. You can see it. It's black. And I got these satin pillowcases. I don't have some anymore, but this is a blue satin pillowcase. I haven't seen it from TJ Maxx. I got this curl boosting mousse. Never seen it, and I actually kind of want to try it, so we got it. This is my current situation. My room bags there, suitcases, all of this, jackets, backpacks, this camera that I need to find battery for, that thing, mirror, I'm gonna take, hangers. Boy, there's a lot of things on my bed. Look, see them? But let's get started with the movie. I'm gonna do time lapse with this, so.
We're going to, I don't know.
Find them?
People are so fat. 30 by 32. It's too long.
That's too. I thought that was. Who's a 36?
Oh, look, see. Oh, this one's cool.
But what size are you?
From 30 by 30 or 32 by 30. Oh, look, it's just 32 and 32.
Oh, what color do you want? Like that?
Dark color. Go around.
This one's similar.
Similar, but I guarantee they won't have it. This doll ass is a 36. Oh shit.
What? Oh damn. Is this the same color? Oh no, it's a lighter color. It's big.
I have these.
So they're.
But it's not the same color. Like dark. Poop my pants. Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna show this tomorrow.
Good.
Black. It's a bit lighter, but it is. It's between these two colors.
What the hell are you doing?
This one? This one.
Oh.
Huh? What? 30 by 30.
This is a 30 by 32. Oh.
You can't try that thing on. Oh my goodness. What did you do?
My height is 6'5". Stop. You're scaring me. You're not having this.
Yes. Yes, you probably have.
You have them. They're just dumb. Almost.
What the heck? Oh, those are shirts.
I think I had these.
What? You have some in black.
I don't know.
What about 30 by 29 by 30?
That's way too tight. It's gonna squeeze my pee-pee down.
This is a 30.
Mother.
Hi.
Yes. Hello. How you doing, sir?
Boy.
How you doing?